If you want a really good Salisbury steak recipe, I got one for you.
Come watch this video and you'll see, because it's going to make you hungry. So have some popcorn ready and you will find out.
Hey community, it's Ruth and welcome to My Perfect Peace Community, where we find peace and balance in a world of chaos. If you haven't already, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment on this recipe because I want to hear from you. I've got my niece, my great niece, with me here today, Courtney. She's gonna help me. Yes. And if you hear all this noise in the background, it's a Sunday afternoon. We just got home from church. Yes, I've already changed my clothes. And I've got a house full of people here. So if you hear something in the background, it's A-okay. But we're going to have a great time cooking this Salisbury steak.
So first, we start off with 3 pounds of ground beef.
Okay, next we're going to use 2/3 cup of French onion soup. Do not throw away the rest of it because you will use it for the gravy. 2/3 cup French onion soup.
Okay. Next, 2 eggs.
Next, 1 cup of Italian style breadcrumbs.
Next, salt and pepper to taste.
All right, secret wrapping. 1 package of dry onion soup. Now comes the fun part. It's the messy part where you get to mix it up with your hands. All right, Courtney, I'm gonna let her do this. Come on. All right, we got it all mixed up. Nice. Now I'm gonna make the patties. You make them whatever size you want, however big or however small you want them. You just pat them out. And there you go.
What is it that direct?
All right, then just take a pan, just cover it with some olive oil on the bottom. Let it heat up. And then we're gonna fry the patties. We're just gonna get them brown on the outside. Don't worry about them being pink on the inside because we're gonna put them in the oven. You wanna get them crisp and hard on the outside. All right, and now we're gonna put them in the skillet, medium high heat. Just do it with my hands. Now, 2 tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour. The rest of the can of French onion soup. And then another can of French onion soup. And then you're gonna mix those up together. Tablespoon of ground mustard. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup.
The 1/2 cup of water. Next, 1/2 cup of ketchup. Lastly, 1 packet of dry onions.
All right, once it's mixed up, you're just gonna pour the gravy over. All right, then you're just gonna put this in the oven for 45 minutes on 375 degrees. That's it. All right, we are done. Now my great nieces told me to make asparagus and red potatoes, which I did. So it's all ready. So now you guys tell me what you think. Try it. Are y'all eating? All right, everybody, community, thank you so much for watching. If you have not, remember, like, subscribe, share. I want to hear from you. I want you to make this Salisbury steak and tell me if your family liked it. And I promise you, they will like it. And as always, remember, seek peace and pursue it.